Hey guys, it's Mike here and with iDVHD, and today I'm going to show you how to properly adjust your volume in different settings involving your volume. This might seem straightforward, but a couple different tricks. Um, if you have the touch bar, obviously you can press your volume on the top function keys at the top. If you touch and hold that, you can immediately slide and adjust your volume. So that's just quick. Everybody kind of has a good idea, but I thought that's a good tip and trick for you guys to know. One thing is another way to change your volume. If you come up in the top right, you'll have this volume icon. Now let me show you what happens if you don't have this. You will need to go to System Preferences, open this up and go to Sound. Now it'll probably show up on the sound effects page. Go ahead and click this. You'll notice that it just left my top bar up here. I'm going to click and put it back. So from here, there's a lot of different things. You can change your alert sounds, your output to which speaker, change your balance, volume, you can even mute it, and your input. So you can see that I'm talking here and it's recording that. If I take this off, hello, hello, hello. So now it's going to reduce kind of that noise reduction using that. One cool thing I want to show you, since we did add it to the volume bar, look at this. If we click on this, it gives us the option to change the volume here. Now here's a neat little trick. If you hold the option button on your computer and click, it'll bring up additional options for you. So this is really neat to change which speakers you're using or which microphone you're using very quickly. But that's not all that can be used for. I do want you to know this can be used for different things. So like if I click Bluetooth, it just shows these basic set. If I click it while holding option, I get a lot more options. And that'll happen on a lot of them. I don't know if it happens on all, but at least your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and volume, you'll get some other options there. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments section below what you would like to see for the next one. Have a great day.